Hello and welcome to my channel Mathematical Coaching Center. So in today's class we'll do Indices part 2. Those who haven't gone through with my part 1, the link is given in the description. So in this class we'll solve some very important question from chapter Indices. So let's start today's class. Here you can see the first question. It said 5 to the minus 4 into 125 5 by 3 divided by 25 to the power minus 1 by 2. So when you will get this type of question, always change into smaller indices. Now you can see 5 to the minus 4, so I can write this as into. So 125 you'll do the LCM. So 125 LCM will be 5 5s are 20, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So I can write, what can I write this? 5. How many times are they? 3 times. So 125 means 5 into 5 into 5. 5 into 5 into 5 means it's your 5 cube. So directly I can write 5 cube. So you can see here bracket multiply, that means this will be your 5 by 3. Divide is there. So divide, okay, I'll write divide only like this. So 25, what can I do? 25 LCM again, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are. So I can write 25 as 5 into 5. 5 into 5 means it's your 5 square. That means this I can write 5 square into what is there? Minus 1 by 2. Now what can I do? This 3 and 3 get cancelled. So this will be your 5 to the power 4 minus 4 into 5 to the power 5. This 2 and 2 will cancel and divide means this 5 to the power minus 1. Now what can I do here? This also I'll take it up. So this side is 5 to the minus 4 into 5 to the 5. When I'll take this up, what will be this? Negative, it will be positive. So 5 to the 1. Now you can see here the bases are same. So already we have done rule. If the bases are same, the power should be added. So that means 5 minus 4 plus, since added, plus minus is minus, so this is minus, plus 5 plus 1. So how much it will be? 5 minus plus minus 4 minus 4 is your 5 minus 4 is your 1. Since the 5 is bigger, so it will plus 1 plus 1. So what I'll get? 5 1 plus 1 is your 2. 5 square means 5 into 5. 5 into 5 is your 25. So I got this answer. Now let's solve another question. So this is your simplify. So this question is your simplify. So what does this simplify means? What does that simplify means? You can see the question. It's very much complicated. Now I got the answer simple. So that's why it is called as simplify. Means we are simplifying the question in a simple form. So let's do next question. So here comes another question. So many students, they feel this very hard, but after doing this sum, it's very easy. Now you can see here 3a by b inverse, 2b by a inverse. So already I have told you in my previous sum, whenever there is negative, try to make it positive. So how can I make it positive? 3a. So this I'll take it up. So it will be positive 3ab plus 2. So I'll write in ascending order. This is also negative. So to make it positive, it will go up. So this will be a, b. So you can see AB are same. Now we have to add just 3 and 2. So 3 plus 2 is your 5AB. So I got the answer. So here we have another question. So you can see here the question says 5 to 0 into 4 inverse plus a to the power 1 by 3. So already we have discussed the rule. Anything to the power 0 is always 1. So this 5 to 0 I can write 1 directly. Into, now why 4 to the power inverse minus 1 is there? So that means I have to make it positive. So to make it positive, this numerator will go to the denominator, 1 by 4 plus. Now you can see here what you have, 8 cube. So 8, what can I write? 8, 2 4s are 2 2s are 2 1s are. That is 8 I can write 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 into 2 into 2 means 2 cube. That means 8 I can write 2 cube into 1 by 3. Now this 3 will get cancelled. So what I got? 1 by 4 plus 2. So now nothing means I can put 1. So whenever the fraction comes, what we have to do? We have to do LCM. So what will be the LCM of 4 and 1? Obviously 4 will be the LCM. Now 4 you'll cancel to this, so 4 ones are 4, so I got 1. 1 into 1 I'll get 1, plus now 1 you'll divide to 4, so 1 4s are 4, so 4 you have to multiply to this, 4 2s are 8. So how much I got? 8 plus 1 is your 9, 9 upon 4. So this is my answer. Or you can write in mixed fraction also. How you do you write in mixed fraction? 4 2s are 8. So remainder. So quotient you will write this 2 1 upon 4. You can write this answer also. So here we have another question. So can you try this yourself? Now we'll use again rule only. So you can see here 2 of nothing is your 1. Okay, so 2 1 3s are 3. A, so this power minus 3 into 3, this B 2 into 3. So what I'll get this 2 to the power 3 only. So A minus plus is minus, 3 3s are 9, B to the power 2 3s are 6. So 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2. So how much I'll get? 8. A minus 9, B to the power 6. So this is my final answer. So in this, what rule I have used is that in this you can see this rule. Suppose A B to the power m is there. So outside m is there. So what can I do? This m is belongs for this both. That means A to the power m, B to the power m. Similarly in this question, the bracket is there and power index is 3. So this 3 belongs to 2 also, A also, B also. So that's why nothing of is 1. So 1 into 3, minus 3 into 3 and 2 into 3. Now we have next question. So you can see in this question what happens is that there is x inverse minus 1, y inverse, x inverse plus y inverse. So always try to make them positive every time. In this sum also you can make it positive, or you can write this answer also like this 8 b6. So to make positive, this minus 9 will go down, so 8 to the power 9. You can leave it here only, okay? So you can do this also. It's same answer. Now what happens is that now in this you can see inverse is there. So now you will change that negative into positive. So I will change x inverse there. That means if it will go to denominator, it will be positive. So 1 by x. Similarly, y inverse is there. So this also similarly it will be 1 by y. Let's change this also x inverse. X inverse means 1 by x, but in between there is plus. There is no sign means it's a multiplication sign. So plus 1 by y. Now what can I do? This 1 into 1 is your 1. X into y is your xy. Now in this, so you know that whenever if this type of fraction will be there, we have to do the LCM. So x and y LCM will be xy. Now x you will divide to this both, so x will cancel, so y left over, so y into 1 y plus, you know this, yeah, y. So you can see this y, I'll divide this LCM 1, so y will get cancelled. What is left over? X. So x should be multiplied up, so I'll get this x. Now 1 by xy. So this is your division. Division, when you'll make multiply, what happen? The denominator goes up, pull, yeah. So xy, and this will be your y plus x, or I can write x plus y. It's same thing. Okay. So now this xy get cancelled. Now I got, how much I got? X plus y. This is my final answer. So again, it's simplification. You can see the question is very much complicated, and I got the answer very much simple. So that's why it is called as simplify. Now let's solve another question. Here we have one of the very important question. So let's see what happens is that you can see the question 5.25 to the power n plus 1, 25 5 to the power 2n. So already I have told you in my previous sum, always try to make it in power indices form. So 25 I can write 5 into 5. So 5 into 5 is your 5 square. That means this 25 I can write as 5 square. So what will be the first step? 5. So 5 this square it will be, so n plus 1 minus this again 25 is there, so 5 square. So this will be your 5 to the power 2n. Dot means multiply. This side 5 dot 5 to the power 2n. You can see here there is plus 3 minus again 25 is there, so I can write 5 square. So it will be n plus 1. Now I'll expand this. You can see here 5 dot 5 to the power, you can see 2 into n, 2n plus 2 ones are 2 minus 5 square minus 5 to the power dot 2n Now down, what will be this? 5 dot 5 to the power 2n plus 3 minus 5. Now you will multiply 2 into n, 2n plus 2 ones are 2. So till here it was easy. Now what you can do is that you can see here 5 to the power 2n is there. You can see here what you have, 5 to the power 2n is there. So I have to make this side also 5 to the power 2n. So as you know that rule, a to the power m into a to the power n equals to, what is the formula? M plus n. So if I can write this as this also I can write. That means what can I do? Next formula I am saying this just opposite. If this is a m plus n is there, so this means I can write a to the power m into a to the power n. So similarly you can see here 5 to the power 2n is there. So this I'll change 5 dot 5 to the power 2n dot 5 to the power 2. 5 square as it is, and this is your 5 to the power 2n. So down also, so you can see, if you'll see nicely, 5 to the power 2n is there. That is 5 dot, by this rule I can write 5 to the power 2n dot 5 to the power 3. Minus, similarly what can I write? 5 to the power 2n, this plus will change like this, 5 to the power 2. Now if you'll see nicely, you can see here this side is also 5 to the power 2n, this side also I have 5 to the power 2n, this side also I have 5 to the power 2n, and this side also I have 5 to the power 2n. So now what can I do? I can take common 5 to the power 2n. From up also, down also I can take common 5 to the power 2n from numerator, 5 to the power 2n. So what will left over here? 5 into 5 square. 5 square means 5 into 5 minus, so 5 to the power 2n already taken out, so 5 into 5 square means, okay, so this into, this dot is also into only, so let's write into only. Now down, what do you have? 5 to the power 2n, we have 5 to the power 2n. Now this side what left? 5 into 5 cube means 5 how many times? 3 times 5 into 5 into 5 minus 5 square means 5 how many times? 2 times. So you can see up and down both are same, so that means both they will get cancelled. 5 5s is 25, 25 5s are 125 minus 5 5s are 25. Now 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125, 125 5s are, how much it will be? 625 minus 5 5s are 25. So 125 minus 25 will be 100. 625 minus 25 is your 600. So 0 0 get cancelled, 0 0 get cancelled. So I got 1 by 6. So this is your final answer. So you can see the question is so complicated, I got the answer so simple. So this is only your simplification.